volume of a cone. So hard to sort of draw. The cones come in all sorts of it was a terrible drawing. Sort of shapes. So how are we going to do that? Let's think about a cone on its side, and I'm just going to draw. And let's just go, that's sort of the radius of the cone. So I'm going to rotate the cone around the base, around the x-axis, like that, to find the volume. So it sort of makes sense that to the base there, that's h for the height, and that's my r. I guess what we need to be careful of is that it can be a skinny cone, it can be a wide cone, and how we're going to manage that to get the general case of a cone. So let's think of this straight line again that we started with and go y, that's y equals some sort of slope x. It goes through the origin, so it's just y equals kx. We want to eyeball in on this point here. That point lies on the line, and that's the point HR. So if we think about the slope k is rise over run. So my rise is r and my run is h. I guess I can get rid of all of that now. So it's really not kx, it's y equals, what was it, rise on run, r on hx. And that covers any cone that has a radius r and a h and a height of h. And we are going to be wanting to calculate the volume. So let's go from 0 to h, from 0 to h of, now we want f of x squared. So that's going to be r squared on h squared x squared dx. Right. Okay, because clearly y squared will be r squared on h squared x squared. Now, let's go to it. The integral of x squared is x cubed on 3 from 0 to h. I'm going to keep my big brackets in there because I'm going to put the h in first. R squared h cubed on 3h squared minus, then I'm going to put the 0 in. Oh, it's an easy one. And you can see what's going to happen here. I've got 2 h's in the bottom, and that's going to cancel 2 of the h's up the top. And I've got the pi goes in there, I've still got a third, and then I've got a pi and r squared and a h. And that is the volume of a cone, and that's where it comes from. You can see where the third comes from, and it just works. Love it. Nice and simple when you see it, isn't it?